In today's lesson, we are going to focus on creating animations using Scratch so that we can bring our characters to life. And if you haven't watched my previous videos in which we have talked about the basics, make sure to check it out. I will add the link under the video description. By default, when you open up a project, we have this cat. I'm gonna get rid of it. And let's add a new character that has some cool animations. Here we have different options like a butterfly. Also we have the frog, but I'm gonna search for an animal like a grasshopper. Let's click on it. When you open it up, from the left hand side, we have three sections: the code, in which we write the code to move the character or whatever. The middle tab is called costumes, in which we have all of the pictures that we can switch between to create the animation. Here we have some sort of a jumping animation. By default, we will have the first picture. Then we'll go under the code and we'll switch between these costumes. But first I want to change the background by selecting this option. And let's try with the blue sky. I guess it's gonna be okay. The grasshopper is a little bit big. I want to change the size to 50. And let's move it down a bit. Now to create the animation, we're going to use these events or blocks. First we have to go to events and we need this one. When flag is clicked, whenever we click on the flag or start the game, we're going to switch between all of the images to create the animation. And to do that, we go under looks. As you can see, we have some commands that are related to the costumes of the character. Like this one, switch costume to one of the pictures that we're going to set. Once we start, we are going to select the first one as the default image. Then we need to add some sort of a loop that is called over and over again. We find it under control. It is called forever. And everything you put under this block will be called over and over again. Each time we are going to switch to the next costume. And here it is, next costume. Let's put it. Then we can hit play. As you can see, we have the animation. We need to slow it down by adding some sort of a delay. And the block that allows you to do that is located under events, I guess. Basically, it is under the control section. It is called wait. We're gonna wait for 0.1 second. And let's click the flag again. And there you go, we have our animation. So I think that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you like it. In our next projects, we are going to use animations a lot to bring our 2D games characters to life. And I will see you in the next one.